Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are plunging straight into how to use Monday.com for product testing, your ultimate guide for 2025. First things first, log into your Monday.com account. If you don't have an account yet, take a few minutes to create one. This step is essential because Monday.com is the platform where all the product testing magic happens. Now that you're logged in, let's create a new board for our product testing. This board will serve as our command center for the entire testing process. You can do this by clicking the plus sign next to the boards on the left side of your screen. Name it something like Product Testing 2025. The reason we do this is to keep all our testing tasks and data organized in one place. Next up, let's add some columns to our board. These columns will represent different stages of our product testing process. For example, you might have columns like To Be Tested, In Progress, and Testing Complete. This helps us because it gives us a visual representation of where each product is in the testing process. Now it's time to start adding product items to our board. You can do this by clicking the New Item button at the top of your board. Each item represents a different product or feature that you want to test. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each item you add will move through the columns as it progresses through the testing stages. Once you've added a few items, it's time to assign them to your team members. Click on an item, then click on the Assignee field and choose a team member from the drop-down list. The reason we do this is to make sure everyone knows what they're responsible for and can stay on top of their tasks. And finally, don't forget to set due dates for each item. This can be done in the deadline field of each item. This step is important because it ensures that your product testing stays on schedule. Now that we've done that, you're all set to start using Monday.com for product testing. It's a powerful tool that can streamline your testing process, keep your team organized, and help ensure that you're delivering the best possible product to your customers. And that's it, folks. You're now ready to utilize Monday.com for your product testing needs. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.